This is just to show the efficacy of the lamps that are reduced over time. I'm going to start off with the older lamp. This lamp is basically in its third year. Next one is between year 1 and 2, and obviously the last one is a brand new lamp. We're going to switch on the lamp. It's in its third year. As you can see, there's still light. The meter is set to 0. We'll slowly pick up, just get to a point of where it's constant. It will heat up and then it will drop down. To show you, we've got a constant with a UV probe reading the efficacy of the lamp at a distance. Right, it's been about 3 minutes now, and as you can see there, the microwatts climb up to about 8 microwatts and then drop down to 7 point something. Slowly reducing itself. It's now reached a point of where it's kind of reducing itself slightly. Right, you can see it's still the third lamp. We're now going to put in the lamp that is between 1 and 2 years old. Right, we've now got the lamp in. The UV meters back at 0. As you can see, we've put down the 8 microwatts there. I'm going to switch it on. Right, this lamp is between 1 and 2 years old. As you can see, it's already at 2930 microwatts. We're going to leave it for a minute or so just so the lamp warms up and take another reading. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes now and the lamp has reached the point which it is warm. Looking at 65 microwatts, dropping to 64, down to 62, down to 60, back up to 61, down to 60, back up to 61. So it seems to be fluctuating between 61 and 62 microwatts at a distance of about a meter. And that's a lamp pretty much in its second year, running at just about half the efficacy of a brand new lamp, as we will test now. Let's just change them around. And just to show you the dust that's still on the lamp that's between a year and 2 old. Could be just about 2 years old. We've now got the brand new lamp in. The UV meters back at 0. We're going to switch it on. Alright, so you can see here, 3 years, 8 microwatts, between a year and 2, 61. We're now just going to leave it for a minute or two just for the lamp to warm up, and we can get a nice reading. Yeah, it's been about 3 minutes with the new lamp in. UV meter seems to be sitting at 86.8. Jumping slightly down. see it's gone down to 85, and it should stop somewhere close by at our optimum point. We'll just give it another minute or two. Right, seems it's dropped down to 85 and slowly rising and dropping between this point. Still dropping slightly, and then going back up, as you can see there. Right, we'll use that as a point of reference. 83.6. Just to give you an idea, if we had to look at a graph, and you're looking at a new lamp, second year, third year, we can say that it's 80 microwatts, which then would do that.